Copilot for Microsoft 365 is a game changer for businesses. This AI-powered tool seamlessly integrates with popular Microsoft 365 applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, providing real-time intelligent assistance to users. But here's the catch. Simply acquiring Copilot isn't enough. To unlock its full potential, you need to ensure user adoption. The journey to successful AI adoption is often fraught with challenges. This is where change management comes into play. Change management is the disciplined approach to preparing, supporting, and helping individuals and teams adopt change. When it comes to Microsoft Copilot adoption and Dynamics 365 user adoption, change management plays a pivotal role. It's about guiding users through the transition. It's about enabling them to adapt to and sustain the AI-enhanced workflow successfully. Without change management, the adoption of Microsoft AI tools often goes wrong. This leaves projects falling short of their intended ROI goals. The pitfalls of neglecting change management for Microsoft AI tools. Neglecting change management can lead to user resistance, lack of training, data quality issues, communication problems, and a failed adoption. The Change Management Playbook for Copilot AI Adoption. By implementing a well-defined Microsoft Change Management Plan, you can boost Copilot AI adoption rates and maximize the impact of this powerful tool. Here's your playbook. 1. Leadership endorsement. 2. Find change management software and tools, like the OCMS portal. 3. Clear communication. 4. Training and support. 5. Feedback mechanisms. 6. Monitor and measure. 7. Celebrate success. Microsoft 365 Copilot, coupled with a strategic change management approach, can be a game changer for your business. Change management tools for successful Copilot AI adoption. Ensure your change management team has the software it needs to succeed. OCMS Portal is an all-in-one change management platform that includes a simple workflow and smart tools to assist workforces in adopting artificial intelligence and other changes. Sign up for a free trial now at ocmsolution.com.